Cottage style has long captured the hearts of homeowners seeking warmth, comfort, and a touch of nostalgic romance. Traditionally known for its cute details, soft textures, and rustic charm, the cottage aesthetic creates a welcoming environment that feels like a peaceful retreat. When combined with the clean, clutter-free nature of minimalism, the result is a fresh approach known as Minimalist Cottage style, an elegant balance of simplicity and coziness. This video explores design ideas that blend cottage warmth with minimalist principles, offering you a home that feels serene, charming, and effortlessly beautiful. What is Minimalist Cottage style? Minimalist Cottage style is a hybrid interior concept that takes the best of both worlds. From minimalism, clean lines, simple furniture, neutral and muted color palettes, functional layouts with less clutter. From cottage style, natural materials and vintage touches, soft textiles and warm lighting, personal and comforting decor. The goal is a refined yet homely atmosphere, cozy without overcrowding, stylish without extravagance. Soft and neutral color palettes for calm ambience. Color plays a key role in creating a minimalist cottage look. Instead of bold or busy patterns, opt for soft and soothing hues. Recommended palette: white and off-white, warm beige and taupe, light grays and soft browns, pastel accents like dusty pink, sage, or powder blue. These colors mimic the calmness of nature and provide a timeless backdrop for rustic elements. Natural materials for authentic cottage feel. The essence of cottage decor lies in its connection to nature. Bring that warmth into your minimalist home with carefully selected materials. Wood for floors, beams, and furniture. Linen and cotton for soft furnishings. Stone or brick accents for rustic charm. Wicker, rattan, or cane accessories. Choose pieces with smooth, clean finishes to maintain the minimalist essence. Functional furniture with simple shapes. Avoid overly ornate or bulky furniture. Instead, opt for slim wooden dining tables, sofas with straight silhouettes and soft upholstery, open shelving over closed, bulky units, built-in storage that keeps clutter hidden. Furniture should feel welcoming and practical, serving everyday comfort without overwhelming the space. Cozy textures, the heart of cottage minimalism. Minimalist cottage style relies on texture to add soul and warmth without extra decoration. Consider adding knitted throws on the sofa or bed, layered rugs made from natural fibers, cushions in soft patterns like gentle stripes or small checks, flowing curtains that allow sunlight to filter through. The key is balance. Use texture in select areas to maintain a light and clean appearance. Simple rustic decor with meaning. Decor in a minimalist cottage home should feel personal and natural. Instead of filling surfaces with numerous accessories, choose a few sentimental or handcrafted pieces. Ceramic vases with dried flowers, vintage pottery or framed family photos, wooden candle holders or woven baskets, a single statement piece like a handmade quilt or rustic wall art. These details create a warm cottage personality while preserving minimalist clarity. Cottage-inspired lighting for warmth. Lighting enhances the cozy vibe of a cottage home. Focus on warm white lighting for a welcoming glow, soft lampshades made from linen or textured fabrics, wall sconces or pendant lights with simple rustic design. Natural light. Allow daylight to fill the space freely. Avoid overly bright or stark lighting that disrupts the softness of the atmosphere. Create a relaxing cottage kitchen. A minimalist cottage kitchen should feel charming yet practical. Design tips. Use shaker-style cabinets in soft neutral tones. Open shelving to display neatly arranged essentials. Wooden countertops for rustic appeal. Compact dining nooks with cozy seating. Add simple heirloom-style accessories like ceramic jars or woven placemats for personality. A bedroom that feels like a peaceful retreat. The bedroom is the heart of coziness in cottage style. To achieve minimalist charm, choose a low-profile wooden or upholstered bed frame. Layer bedding with soft quilts or textured throws. Keep bedside surfaces uncluttered. Only a lamp and a personal item or two. Add a bench or basket for extra blankets. The result is a calm, comfortable space that supports relaxation and restful sleep. Bring nature indoors. Nature is essential to cottage style. Even minimalism appreciates its soothing qualities. Include potted greenery or small indoor trees, fresh or dried botanical arrangements, nature-inspired artwork. A touch of green can lift the entire room without adding clutter. Outdoor-inspired corners. If you don't have a cottage garden, create small outdoor-themed areas. A cozy reading nook near a window. Wicker chairs with soft cushions. Soft-toned artwork featuring countryside elements. These corners evoke the gentle pace of cottage life. Keep everything organized and clutter-free. Minimalism requires good organization to maintain visual harmony. Tips. Use hidden storage to reduce visual noise. Adopt a less but better mindset. Only keep what is truly meaningful. Regularly declutter surfaces like tables, shelves, and cabinets. This ensures the space remains peaceful and intentional. Sustainable living, a cottage tradition. Cottage lifestyle often values practicality and handmade crafts. Embrace sustainability by repairing and upcycling existing furniture, choosing long-lasting natural materials, investing in local craftsmanship or DIY decor projects, reducing unnecessary purchases. Living sustainably enhances the authenticity of your minimalist cottage home. Conclusion: simple comfort with heartwarming charm. A minimalist cottage-style home merges the tranquility of minimalism with the cozy charisma of cottage design. It celebrates comfort, clarity, and a deep connection to nature, without excess. By using soft colors, natural textures, functional furniture, and meaningful decor, you can create a home that feels like a peaceful escape from busy, everyday life. With thoughtful choices and attention to warmth, your home becomes an inviting sanctuary where simplicity shines and every detail holds purpose. Minimalist cottage style reminds us that beauty doesn't come from filling space. It grows from the heart of a home crafted with love and intention.